Hello and welcome to my very personal space. We are in my bathroom looking at this bidet that is installed on my toilet. I got this from Amazon and it's the LUXE Bidet. The model is the Neo 185 and you can see there's a lot of functions here. There's two knobs. So this first knob is going to control the water pressure. So right now it's off, that's low, and then you can go all the way up to high if you need to. Personally, I found that low absolutely gets the job done. So you can control the water pressure there, and then down here, this knob right here controls the type of wash that you want. So if you turn it over here, this is for women, so it's a very thoughtful design, and it's actually the reason I insisted that my husband get this one, because it has a softer flow that's aimed towards your front, which is a game changer when it's that time of the month or you just had a baby. It just helps you keep yourself even cleaner and fresher than without the bidet. So I highly recommend that for you ladies. Then this wash setting right here, that is a stronger flow aimed towards your rear. So it gets you very clean and you use less toilet paper when you use that setting. And then this right here is the nozzle cleaner, and I will show you what that looks like when you're ready to clean your nozzles. When you are ready to clean your nozzles, you just turn it there to the nozzle cleaning setting, and then right here is where you control the water pressure, starting with low, going all the way to high. So I'll just turn it on low. And you can see there, it's just running nice, clean water over your nozzles. That's just to make sure they always stay nice and clean. The nozzles are actually retractable, so they stay hidden inside this shield right here unless you're using it. And they do that so that it's not in the splash zone, and it just keeps the nozzles more sanitary when you are using the bathroom. And then when you choose your water pressure, it'll actually have the nozzles retract down, it'll spray you, and then when you turn it off, it retracts back into that shield. So that is a really handy feature. So in the box with your bidet, it's gonna come with this pipe that connects to the bidet, and then it's gonna go down and connect to your toilet and then down to your water supply. So it's always going to be clean water coming out of your water supply that is spraying you. It's not actually water that's from the toilet, so some people get confused with that. So that's nice to know. It's always clean water. This model here doesn't allow you to adjust the temperature, so the water that comes out is always a little bit cold, but at this point I've gotten used to it and it's really not that big of a deal. So when you're installing this, you're going to pop off the toilet seat, and then you stick this part on, and then you put the toilet seat back on, and it is adjustable, so it fits pretty much all toilets. The one thing that I would change about bidets, and I think this is for all bidets in general, is see all these little like cracks and crevices and holes. I have a little boy who uses this bathroom and he's not great at aiming yet, and so I'm constantly in here cleaning my toilet of urine, and it's really annoying to have to clean out all these little crevices. So when I'm ready for a deep clean, I'm gonna have to just pop the toilet seat off and just scrub out all the crevices and put it back in. So that is really the one annoying thing. I hate looking at all the yellow marks that are here in my toilet, but it's worth it in order to use this bidet. I feel like it helps keep us more hygienic and it helps the environment because we're not paying